high desert of southern Wyoming. We're going to be camping at the Flaming Gorge. We're going to do some fishing. We're going to do some shooting. We're going to do some camping. All right, we made it. We're in southern Wyoming, State Line Cove, actually. This is where the border of Wyoming and Utah meet. We found our camp spot. We got a couple picnic tables and a fire pit. Check out these cliffs. Definitely going to explore those later. Let's get these dirty, filthy, mangy dogs out the van. They're just aching to get out here. Come on, you dogs. Okay, no, wait, no. What are you doing, buddy? Go play. Hey, girl. Well, we're going to set up camp and we're going to, what do we got to collect? Firewood.
Yeah, that's pretty much it. Our camp's already set up.
Camp's set up, believe it or not. Sweet. All right, let's go find some firewood for cooking them burgers. Some tinder. That'll work for now. We're gonna explore them cliffs before it gets dark. So let's do that. One thing there's no shortage of here is cacti. Okay, I got all the way to the top, but there's not much up there but a big cliff, so pretty cool view. I think what we're gonna do now is try to put some line on the fishing pole and try our luck catching a trout. So that's what's up right now. I have a feeling there's a fish right there. Dude, a fish just jumped.
I saw that.
So I don't have a whole tackle box. I just got my pliers and my rod. I got a couple of these Panther Martins. So we're gonna go down to the end of this rocky shoreline. Hopefully it drops off at the end and I can throw the lure into some deep water and we'll see if that works. It probably won't. I might have to come back after dark. Well, I didn't catch nothing. As soon as the wind dies down, we can make our burgers though, so that's fun.
But check this sunset. What you doing?
Oh, building a fire. I went with the teepee structure because of how gnarly these branches are. Usually I go with the old log cabin structure, but not today. Yeah. Looking good. The mosquitoes are coming out, so we gotta hurry and get this food made, get in the van. We just had a good-sized pronghorn trot right past the van. Check this out. One, two, three. Oh, that is cold water. Well, I walked all the way down this rocky beach. I found some much deeper sections, but nothing was biting. I should have got up a little earlier. I mean, I was already up at 4. I should have just come fishing, but that's the end of the fishing adventure. So we're gonna jump right back across the state line into Utah and see some of the scenery. So that's what we're fixing to do right now. Well, you can see why they called it the Flaming Gorge. It was John Wesley Powell that named it that back in 1869. He was the first scientific explorer to come down, and he named a lot of the landmarks around this area, down the Green River and the Colorado River. We're heading to Green River, Wyoming directly after this. My brother Michael, who we're going to visit, and myself have personally kayaked about 120 miles of this river from Fontenelle Dam all the way to the State Line Cove where we camped last night. You'll see some awesome wildlife, bald eagles, river otters, all kinds of different birds and beavers and such, but check that out. Yeah, if you're into paddling sports, that's 120 miles of beautiful, chill river from Fontenelle Dam, Wyoming, down the Green River to the State Line Cove where we stayed last night. Highly recommended. Yeah, what do you think, babe? You've never been here before?
It's way pretty.
Pretty cool, huh? We actually came over to Rock Springs to go to the Planet Fitness just to clean up. We got pretty dirty camping. We are gonna head over to Green River to Michael's place. We'll pick back up right there. Stay tuned. Okay, so last night we went out to the shooting range and got up to speed on our firearm skills, I suppose you could say. That was a good time. Sometimes you just got to get out into the country and disconnect and have a good time. Today, I spent most of the day changing our solar panels back to a flat configuration. We found out that our front solar panel is actually not working. I could take it off and take a look where the cables come from and see if there's a loose fitting. But we got it back to a more efficient configuration. I just need to watch when I put the bikes up that I don't smack it. Yeah, that's what I did all day today, and it was hot. So that's what you gotta do in van life. I also changed the mesh to the dog's area because it was starting to rip and get hair into the main living area. But yeah, pretty long day. Broken solar panel. But yeah, we're gonna see what else we can get into tonight. Alright, so we're heading across Wyoming and we've got a lot more family to visit. New pin. Babe, take the trash out. Oh my Atlanta.
Fine.
See you next week, guys. Alright, here's Bryke and he's gonna do a stunt for us. Go ahead, dude. Good job, man.